Hello my friends and subscribers, my name is Alexander Stepanov and today I'm gonna show you fantastic nail design which will be actual for this season. And as usual, we work together with my brother Andrew. He's working with the barrel gel bit now and he's removing the old gel from the nail plate. As you can see, the quality of products are fantastic. We have no liftings, gapes, any other products. Rhinestones are keep on staying and no one left. So this drill bit helps us to work fast without hitting the nail plate. Have you ever saw the moment when the client is moving up her hand because of it hits? We had no problems with that, but I'm sure that using your drill bits, sometimes your client is screaming because of hitting the nail plate, because drill bits, ceramic drill bits especially, work not very good. The natural diamond drill bit is always helps us to prepare this nail perfectly to the limit. And this is the main difference between Chinese drill bits and drill bits are made in Germany, in Russia manufacturers. These are fantastic. And you can find these tools and products in my store and order using credit card or PayPal system. It's easy, you are protected than ordering from other sites like eBay, AliExpress. I'm working for you guys to make you happy with the results of your work. And now you see Andrew working with the file. This is the personal file of client. Each client has their own files in special craft packets. My brother doesn't prefer to work with new files because these files can make bleeding. So we have experience to have own personal files for each client. Okay, and as you can see, my brother prefers working with nippers, not scissors. She just do it because he used to do it. I think that scissors are good too for this work, but it's no matter. You should work with the best high quality products. After removing cuticles, not all surface of cuticles, just only a remaining part, we are primering nails and applying base gel, extra strong base gel, which you can find also in my store. Curved it in LED lamp of medium power from 6 watt to 20 or more. It's not only 30 seconds. And after we're applying the thick base gel, if you need to achieve the natural color, you can mix a little bit sculpting mix gel, which will bring pinky natural color to this thick gel. But you can all use only thick base gel. And as you can see, my brother is applying not only one coat. He's dropping the ball or the smile drop on the top of the nail and trying to allege this drop all over the nail, just moving it slowly using only the tip of his brush, like you can see on the video. After curing in 30 seconds in LED lamp, he has already removed the tacky layer and he's working with the barrel drill bit again. Now he's comparing nails one to the other to make sure that the length are the same. All nails should be with the same length. The pinky nails should be less shorter than other nails, and thumbnails should be the same length like other nails. You can compare them together. Again, barrel drill bit. The third step of using this fantastic drill bit, it helps us to remove the old product, to remove remaining gel, and remove large amount of gel from underneath the nail plate to create the C-curve or the edge. If you don't understand what does it mean, the C-curve or the edge, you should read the laws of sculpting of gel nails or acrylic nails, because square shaped nails should have C-curve or arch. This is needed for making them graceful, correct shaped, and elegant. And this is for creating the strong building. I mean the strong I don't know how to say it in English. I hope you understand, guys, that the nail should be like the curved, like the curved book. It's not easy to break the curved book like the tube. Then you understand that it's easy to tear the sheet of paper. Yeah, you understand? But if we take a lot of sheets of paper and make the tube from them, and in this way we're trying to bend it in, and it's not easy. You understand? The C-curve has the same rule. It's like the bridge. It helps to make nails stronger. And of course, using the control bit, like you can see on the video, helps us to create very thin corner of the nail. And maybe you think that this thin corner can be breaking. No, that never happens. Maybe with acrylic nails it can be happen, because the acrylic product is less flexible than gel. I have never faced with the problem when the thin coat of gel can be broken because of the bit or something else. Okay, guys, let's take a look. Let's watch Andrew applying gel polish very close to cuticles. The first thing which helped him to do it is he already removed the floated gel and prepared this area using the control bit. The second thing is comfortable brush. As you can see, the hairs are very soft and flat. And this is fantastic that we can apply it using only brush from gel polish. And the third thing, he is using thin brush number 0 or 00, which helps him to work with hidden places and draw it in some areas like this, because the flat brush from the gel polish can get in these places. Okay, let's use pearl gel paint. You can mix it with the pink gel paint, and let's create the background for our painting. Yeah, guys, the Andrew will draw. It's not usual to see him drawing something, but this time he will amaze you with his fantastic drawing, which is actual. As you can see, he prefers using gel paint or gel polish for drawing compositions because it's very fast. He doesn't like drawing one stroke flowers on composition, and now you can see he doesn't like the result, and he's trying to repeat and repeat from the beginning and drawing it once again. This time the drawing, his painting looks much better, and now he's placing some glitter holographic powder on the tacky layer, and he will be using his fingers to pat this powder. After that, he's applying the thick top coat to cover all this nail design. After curing in LED lamp in 30 seconds, right on the top of the tacky layer, or you can remove the tacky layer, it will be much better. You can draw contours or thin details using the white gel paint. The white gel paint of the brand Giorgio Cappuccini creates fantastic margin, something like the 3D margin, and this is amazing. You will never achieve that effect using other gel polish or acrylic paint. After curing in LED lamp, we are removing the tacky layer, and you can see this design has 3D effect. That's amazing. And we need only shape nails from each side wall and make and apply some oil, and this is fantastic. What do you think about this nail design? I think the color is amazing and suitable for every woman. If I were a woman, I would prefer this fantastic nail design. What do you think about this? Please let me know about your thoughts about your nail design. Sorry. It seems that I confused with my English. What do you think about my tone, my language? Is it improved already or not? Thanks for watching, guys. I love you. See you in the next video, guys. Bye. See you tomorrow.